Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Are you fine? I hope so. Friends, in this video, we will learn about the conversion from meter to millimeter. And for this conversion, I have two methods. The number one method is hard method and number two method is easy method. Okay? In hard method, we will convert first meter to centimeter, then we convert centimeter to millimeter, which is the traditional way and the legal way. And the second one is, this is the first way, and the second method is easy method, which we will discuss about the conversion of meter to millimeter direct. Meter to millimeter direct conversion. This is also legal and traditional method. So first we are discussing about this hard method, then I am telling the easy method. Okay, so stay connected. Suppose I have a question that 2 meters containing how many millimeters. Okay, so first we have to use first method. By using this method, first we have to convert meter to centimeter, and we know in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so 2 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Okay, it will give me what? 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter. Okay, now we convert this 200 centimeter in millimeter, and we know in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters, so this 200 will be multiplied by 10 millimeters, and it will give me what? 2000 millimeters. Okay, 2000 millimeters. Okay, so this was our first method, and now we are discussing about second method. We are taking the same example. By using second method, we have to remember that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, so 2 meter will be 2 meter will be what? 2 meter will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 millimeter, and it will give me 2000 millimeter is the answer. Okay, and we know our first method answer was 2000 millimeter, and this is also 2000 millimeter. So first method was hard and the long and not easy method, but this method is very easy. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and stay connected for more videos. Thank you.